When you say that you're a grain farmer, a lot of my friends from the city will think once harvest is finished, oh man, must be nice to have all winter off, eh? Well, no, there's a whole bunch of stuff that we have to get done in the winter season just to ensure that we're prepared for the spring season that follows. It's almost that race against Mother Nature to get that crop planted, to spray it and ensure that everything's growing and harvesting it at the right time. Hopefully Mother Nature cooperates with you and it's the best that you can do, and it's a lot that goes into it.
I'm Tara and this is my husband Matt. We are Sawyer Farms.
We grow wheat, barley, and canola just west of Acme, Alberta. We're fourth-generation farmers, and the kids are potentially fifth-generation farmers. We farm 4,200 acres. We live in this house here with Emmett, who is 19, and Cassidy, who is 17, and Quinn, who is 15. And my mom and dad live down the road, and of course, Bailey, the dog. We are a small family farm. We don't have a pile of extra help, so you're the manager, the marketer, the sprayer, the worker, and the fixer. You do it all. Okay, come on, Bailey. Let's go. And you go in the truck. Today I'm meeting with my agronomist, Keith, and we're gonna have a look at the malt barley that we currently have growing in the field. It is a newer crop for us. Come on, Bales.
Man, everything looks good, Matt.
The crop is looking great.
Well, it sure looks like our herbicide we used before we seeded, and then the chemical we used in season sure helped. There's no weed pressure. If you don't spray them, then the weeds take over and sucks all the moisture from the crop and the nutrients that the crop could be using.
When do you think we'll have to spray this, Keith, for disease, eh?
Well, we'll probably have to go at it next week.
Next week, okay.
Well, we could have some spot blotch, some rust. We have to watch for scald. Scald could come in. Fungicide will help protect it from all the disease pressure we're gonna get because it's such a thick canopy. It's gonna create its own atmosphere.
I really value working with our agronomists. They keep us on top of the whole program, from soil sampling to choosing the right seed, possible fungicide application, and the timing of harvest. It's imperative to look at your crops every day or every other day to know exactly what's the bug situation. Do you have wireworms eating the crop? Is it the right time to put on a in-crop herbicide? Here's the flag leaf coming here, and boy, the leaves are just, you can even see the crinkle from it growing so fast. The flag leaf is a leaf that holds all the genetic potential for that barley plant, and the healthier that the flag leaf is, the more barley that you're gonna grow from that plant. It's wonderful to see the rain coming at the right time and the crop growing.
We'll come back here in 2 or 3 days and see how it's coming along.
If we didn't use crop protection products, we would be producing about 25% of what we normally would. We want to kind of protect what we have because the more barley we produce, the more beer we produce.
And we want more beer.
We want more beer.
Yeah.
We take pride in knowing that this is a safe, sustainable product that we're shipping all over the world to feed millions of people.
It's going out to the world, and at some point it's also going onto our plate. And I know it's the best quality and safest product.
We also are looking at how do we take the land that we're farming now and pass it on to the next generation in better shape than we received it.
I grew up in the city. I'm not from a farm originally. I moved out to the farm when Matt and I got married. I think that I have a great perspective of both sides. I came as someone who knew nothing, who didn't think about where my food came from, to joining a family farm. It was a huge culture shift. My role on the farm is in the office. If they need me to help do parts runs, I do parts runs. If they need help moving equipment, I help with that.
Well, it's really a blessing to have Tara around. If we didn't have her, the wheels would fall off the bus completely. Today we're going to be loading malt barley, and it's going to be going to a malt house. They take our little kernels, they soak them in water and get them to germinate, and once they're dried, they ship them off to the brewers to make beer. Hey, Dad, how's it going?
It's going good.
Crop's looking good, hey? I really enjoy working with my dad. He's one of the key drivers on the farm. He's a workhorse, and he's been a great mentor. I respect him very much, but it's also a lot of fun, too. Frankly, I don't know what I would do without him. Unfortunately, I worry too much about the crops. It's hard to quit thinking about them. Last year, we struggled wondering when it's going to rain and how you manage around that. And there's nothing that you can do when it doesn't rain.
I noticed this past growing season was probably one of the toughest ones we've had, and it wore on them because watching out the field and not being able to do anything, we had to try and pick them up more than usual. There's a lot of challenges that come with a farm, and you have to learn how to have a good work-life balance. It's no different than any other job. You can't get away from it, and so you have to learn how to keep yourself healthy and happy and whole. You can get worn down.
I think that's the toughest thing about a grain farm our size is how to know when to turn the switch off.
And that's why you have me to remind you to shut it off.
That's right.
One of our favorite things to do is to go for bike rides. It's nice to get out there. It's quiet, it's peaceful. We've got the beautiful scenery, and we've also got some time together. That's fun for us. It's just a nice little check-in, really. That's what it is. It's a check-in.
It is a check-in. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.